Hello guys, how's it going? Today I'll introduce you about how to use the mindmap. Firstly, let me start by using mindmap to learn new words and activities or topic at the zoo. It's the first topic in the starter level of Cambridge book. It's very simple. Here are something you need to prepare before the lesson. A large piece of paper, a box of color pencil, and of course your imagination. So now let's get started. Step 1. Draw a circle in the middle of the paper and write down the name of the main topic in it. So, here I wrote down the topic at the zoo. I recommend adding the picture on it to make it more interesting to see. Step 2. Draw some color branch which come away from the main topic. You should use different colors for each branch to make it easier to remember. There are 3 different colors in my mind map. To define what each brand means, I labeled them with name tags. For example, I created 3 keywords: what, who, and when. Each brand identifies the ideas of topic. So, how many brands do you use? It depends on the third item I mentioned above, your imagination. Step 3. From each of these branches or ideas, you can draw other connected lines, spreading like a branch of tree. For the branch what, we have 3 connected lines that come away from it. Many of you will ask, what kind of animal fly, run, and swim? To show what they are, you create another smaller branches. Eating worm and eating meat. For example, we have 2 animals which can fly and eat worms. The first is the bird, secondly is the parrot. Very simple. It's very easy, isn't it? Similarly, we can have an eagle which can fly and eat meat. Here and here, eating vegetable. Cow, giraffe, goat, hippo, horse, elephant, chicken, and mouse. The animals which can run and eat meat are dogs and tigers. For animals which can swim and eat worms, we have a fish. Swimming and eating meat, we have a shark. Wow, okay. Next, there are lots of people at the zoo. Who are they? Here we have, of course, a zookeeper whose job is to look after and feed animals. I often go to the zoo with my family or my friends. We can take pictures of sport animals. Sometimes I ask my friend for having some fun at the zoo. So there is the activity you can do at the zoo. Finally, for the branch, when? When do you go to the zoo? For me, I sometimes go to the zoo at the weekend, or when a new animal joins to it. So, it's very easy to use mindmap to remember new words. And the second thing you can use mindmap is to make a short story. For example, you can tell the story about their journey to the zoo. I often go to the zoo with my family at the weekend. We take pictures of such and sport animals. Sometimes a new animal joins the zoo and I feel it's really interesting. One day I challenged a zookeeper by asking, "What animal can fly and eat worm?" She answered to me, "Well, it's easy, boy. It's the parrot. Do you like this story?" It's a very short story, but when you create the short story, you can imagine all the new word of the topic. Remember, just practice every day and have fun too. Goodbye.